Hello guys, today I found my water heater not working, so I try to troubleshoot it. Normally water heater have four type of fault. Now I talk to the faults and causes of water heater. Firstly, the fault, the rod of heater does not get heated. The cause of this problem, the fuse element or conductor of heater is disconnected or dislocated, or there may be non-supply of AC in the socket. Secondly, the rod of heater does not get heated but give shocks. It causes due to leakage the rod, due to disconnect of neutral or earth line. Thirdly, the heating element of the rod get frequently burned. Uh, this problem causes excessive flow of current. The wire or mica may be broken and touched with the metallic body. And fourth, the switch. The switch may be burned. A less common reason for burn or damaged switch plate is corrosion and build-up of grit and dust. This condition can lead to heat resistance and arcing. Now take a look of my water heater. This is an automatic switch. It only triggers when it senses one of the source has lost or power. Now the back part. Here is two round shape connector. This red wire comes from the source to the coil, and this is the LED. The yellow marked wire go to the switch and it come back, and it comes into the coil. Now the bottom part of the electric heater. Here is the 2-point connector, and the other side of this connector from the source, 3 wires comes from the source. This is the 1 point and this is the second point. I found the problem on switch. Maybe the switch was burned, so I connect 2 wires directly without the automatic switch. Hopefully it working.